Last time I talked with my mom was December 31, 2017. My mom told me, don't try to contact with us, we will contact with you.
He said, let's talk next time, let's talk next time. That was the last time we ever talked to my father.
She left a message over the WeChat saying that she's going to Beijing. That's the last message she left for me.
Almost everyone that I know was taken into camps. It felt like our entire social circle was just evaporated like that overnight.
My friend told me my parents are studying, but I know the word studying means relocation camp. In the one night, I lose everything.
It's torturing me of not knowing whether my mother is alive or not. I don't know what she is eating right now. I don't know what she's doing right now. Does she have enough clothes? Does the people inside of the camp or detention centers are torture her?
More than a year after my father's arrest, we received the news that he was sentenced to 15 years in prison. They fear that Uyghur people learn their own culture too much, and they fear that we have this kind of ethnic pride.
And then they don't even give a reason, just because they are the Uyghur Muslim.
I feel scared, like I had nightmares of me being sent to China and got caught up into the detention centers.
Instead of being a normal human being, I was forcefully turned into a political being. When I feel homesick nowadays, the best thing I think I can do is to try to do something to help my father, try to do something to help millions of Uyghurs that are locked up in concentration camps.
People who watching this video, please call your senators, ask US government to help the Uyghur peoples. It's not the relocation camp, it's the jail.